So I'm Tom Luby, Director of Texas Medical Center Innovation. TMC Innovation, as we call it, is a place where entrepreneurs can come, early stage life science company formation and growth here at the Texas Medical Center.
So Future Doctors is a partnership between the Breaking Barriers organization of Texas A&M along with DiscoverU. In that Future Doctors camp, we essentially take on a group of high school students and we take these kids for a week on and we try to simulate what it's like to be in medical school. People think that the process of going to medical school or entering the health professions is a little intimidating. And what we do as part of our efforts is try to make that as simple as possible and give kids all the resources they need to be successful and to prove to them that no matter where you come from, you can be a doctor.
I would say this academy is important for young individuals as myself because it really shows you the world of medicine. The things I loved about the camp, there's a lot of hands-on activity, but there's also a lot of lecturing. So you get the best of both worlds, and we get to really know, is this what I want to do for the rest of my life?
It's my first flow, which is a fantastic learning opportunity, and I didn't really know what to expect, but you know, I made friends. I had a great time. We toured the medical center. We casted an arm, we sutured. That was really cool, because it's like, I've never done those type of things before.
We like to expose kids to different thoughts, different opportunities that could be in front of them. In order for them to think about more broadly, it's not just about being a doctor or a nurse. There's lots of other opportunities in healthcare, and some of them are going to be a great fit for some of these kids.
This camp really helped me decide what I wanted to do because I know I want to be in the medical field. I've always just been kind of just indecisive, and then it kind of showed me what they do, what they learn, how long they're in school, what I need to do. I think a nurse is way better for me because I would be happy with what I'm doing still. You know, I'm still gonna help people at the end of the day.
And so part of our initiative here at Future Doctors is to give people the opportunity, give these students the opportunity to be exposed to these things and to know how the process works early on for them to build their applications and their narratives essentially for why they want to be a doctor and if they want to go into the medical field.
Kids that go on to be doctors, nurses, other healthcare professionals, or work in the biotech industry, stay here locally in Houston and help us grow. This great community that we have around the medical center starts early, and we want to get people excited and enthusiastic about careers in that, and these programs are wonderful ways to do just that.